I have Anubha Srivastav Sahai, who is an educationist and president of India-wide Parent Association, and also Amar Saini, who is a petitioner of Aryan Tyagi, who is a NEET aspirant. And we shall also be joined by Dr. Ashik Bashir, who is the state president of General Practitioners Association in Kerala. He shall be joining us on the phone line. Anubha, once again, this only shows how they do not really care, because first of all you postpone these exams many times, Anubha, and then after that, I mean, I may have booked my tickets, also booked my hotel stay, but then I have to cancel it because it's been postponed. Unki marzi hai. Again they do the same thing. Now they are giving me dates like this. Apparently a lot of doctors are busy with something else. Some of them are pregnant. you know I mean,
Yes,
what is going on, Anubha Srivastav Sahai?
yes. Sudhaji, actually, I am really shocked the way the examination are being conducted in our country. Be it NEET exam or JEE exam or any other exam, the government and the agencies are not able to conduct the exam properly. Total mismanagement. We can see right from COVID it started, and it's almost now 4 years, and the same thing is happening. In COVID, we could understand that yes, there was some problem, so they could not hold exam, they could not get more examination centers. But now there is no problem. I don't know what is the problem the government is facing. They're giving some justification and useless and baseless justification as always, that due to some security concern. I don't know what security
What
concern they're talking
security?
about.
Are there?
Due to some, yeah, I don't know what security they're talking about. Due to some security reasons, now they have to allocate the centers in some other states. So inconvenience is highly regretted. I don't know what has happened with the government,
Okay,
and
Anubha.
they are not listening.
Yeah,
They are not
Anubha.
listening on,
Yeah, they are
in
not
spite of
listening. They don't seem to be, unless, the Supreme Court, we petition,
heat
we
Ravi.
stand there, we do strikes. I mean, they just
Yes.
don't seem to be listening at all. They just don't
No, no,
seem to be caring at all for this. I mean,
not
it's
at all.
ridiculous. Really.
It is.
Yeah,
How
and
the students will, last moment they will make arrangements. So many trains are being cancelled. Now monsoon season has come.
yeah.
We know how the situation is there in Kerala, in other states also, in Maharashtra, in Madhya Pradesh, in Uttarakhand, UP, everywhere flood-like situation is there. So how the students are going to commute from one state to other, within state? In Kashmir also, students are tweeting. If you will read the tweet,
Yeah.
students are tweeting that even in Kashmir they are facing problem. They cannot run from pillar to post for all these issues, which are not concerned about the students. They are really not concerned about the student. Why students will do all these management as far as the traveling is concerned? It is the responsibility of the authority, examination conducting body, that they should make proper arrangement, convenient arrangement for all these aspirants who are
Exactly.
our future doctors, who are already doctors and they are going to
They
be
are doctors,
professionals.
yeah, yeah. Amar Saini, who is the petitioner of Aryan Tyagi, is also with us. I mean, what is going on with the NBEMS? The thing is that, apart, like I was talking to Anubha, postponement happened. Then they give me a city which is outside my domicile thing. Theek hai, it's not a big deal. I can go to Nagpur. The third worst thing is that they've told me the city, but they've not told me the exam center, the venue. Where do I go? I mean, do I just kind of, throw one coin up and will it? I mean, they're treating me, I'm already a doctor. This is PG, NEET PG, and they're treating us like this. What can be the security reason, like Anubha says? Are they scared about cheating? Are doctors doing cheating? It is the gang which is doing cheating. So, what do you think of this, Aryan Tyagi? Sorry, Amar Saini.
Basically, this was the systematic failure, and so many evidences that we produced before the court was in the form of systematic breach, and the gang which was involved in paper leakages, which was not prevalent not only in this examination, which was held NEET UG, but past experiences have also shown that these kind of leakages have happened, and this time the evidences that we had in the court while arguing this case was in the form of telegram channels was having the paper in the morning of 5th of May 2024, when the exam was supposed to be conducted. And before the examination, the students, some of the candidates who were the part and acting in connivance with these gangsters who were having the paper. So if though in one of the precedent that was laid down in 2015 in the case of Tanvi Sarwal, which was the precedent which was cited in the during the course of the argument and in the judgment. So there was the mentioning of the leakages, and the sanctity of the examination being violated. But this time in the judgment that has come today, and the ratio of the judgment is on the another separate anvil which we have come across, and that is the localized breach